Hi everyone, we're in Suffolk. We're near Leiston and to Burton's down that way, and to give you some more orientation, Sizewell nuclear power station is just a kilometre or two down that way on the coast. We're also close to Minsmere, the RSPB bird sanctuary, so we're going to pop down there on the bikes today, have a look around. Then we might go to sort of the beach just south of Sizewell, and we'll have a look at all the construction work that's going on for Sizewell C power station. This is the start of the Sizewell temporary construction area. Yeah, got everything I need, and the bikes are very securely locked up now. You've got your binoculars.
Yeah, and we need to get some birdie food.
Yeah, we'll do that on the way out, see?
Yes, and get a cup of coffee.
Can't go to. Next because you can get up to that
Yes.
to the houses. There's people standing up there.
Well,
You can't get there from here, but I think if you
yes,
go.
we've been up there.
Oh, at the back there.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Be nice if you could actually see the reed warblers. The beer garden's through there, but look, we've got bike racks here.
Yes, there's quite a few diners in there, so that's right. A bit on the busy side. Oh, that's for me, and that's for you.
We'll wander around, see what the campsite looks like.
Oh, yeah, I forgot there's a campsite there.
Swift Tower. Oh, there you go, members only. We're members. Oh, this is nice actually.
Very nice.
It's pretty level. Dump station of some sorts. Yep, dump station.
Not bad thing, actually.
Yeah,
So you can get, so you've got your dump, so you've got your water, you've got electric.
I like this.
So the only thing we need is just put up our feet.
Is a pub,
Oh, put up
which
the
we've
feet.
got. That's very nice down here. see big earth moving equipment on the left hand side. So this is where all that accommodation will be for 2,500 workers, and I guess where all the component parts for the nuclear reactor get delivered to, which is a much larger site than the actual nuclear power station site itself. Brilliant. Thanks so much for that. Have a nice afternoon. Another gate by the things. Oh, look at the timing there. Well, Sizewell, you know, it's all part of the operation. Thanks so much.
So, see you guys. Have a good one.
Cheers. You have a good day. Oh, we should be back on the main road, I think. Going this way. I think this is right. Yes. See, we should have brought the pickup truck and the reflective coat. Fit right in. That's the park and ride. See? If you come in from the other direction by car, you can see even more of the works going on in the temporary construction area. It's pretty substantial.
Oh yeah, but this is popular. He's happy, they have no choice. Wow, this is a lot of lorries, isn't it? Upset, can't you? This isn't a small problem. This is life changing. Hell of a long time. To have all this around you, isn't it? All these extra people. I know. It's a bit ugly.
I'm actually filming this the day after the UK government signed off something like 14 billion to go towards this project. Before then there was talk about it being partly funded by China, so I think that's been excluded now.
Be careful because there's a hole in the ground.
Yeah, I don't know what that's for.
Ah.
Well, there we go.
How's that? Lovely. Right.